Automatic Palletizer is a high-tech product integrating machinery and electricity. Medium and low-level palletizers can meet the production needs of medium and low output. According to the required marshalling method and number of layers, the palletizers can complete the palletizing of various products such as bags, rubber blocks, boxes, etc. The optimized design makes the pallet shape compact and neat. Structural features: medium and low-level palletizers are mainly composed of flattening conveyors, slow-stop conveyors, transfer conveyors, pallet warehouses, pallet conveyors, marshalling machines, bag pushers, palletizing devices, and pallet conveyors. Its structural design is optimized and the movement is stable and reliable. The palletizing process is fully automatic and does not require manual intervention during normal operation. It has a wide range of applications. The main control components, including programmable controllers, variable frequency speed controllers, proximity switches, push-button switches and wiring terminals, are all first-class quality products, ensuring the reliability and long life of the system hardware. The combination of high-quality hardware and specialized control software designed by experts realizes a high degree of automation of the system. The perfect safety interlocking mechanism can provide protection for equipment and operators. The graphic display touchscreen makes the palletizer easy to operate and easy to diagnose faults, and it is also convenient for inspection and maintenance. Classification of automatic palletizers: stacking machine, palletizer, automatic stacker, automatic palletizer, palletizing robot. Coordinate palletizers can replace the tedious and repetitive labor of human operations to complete the full automation of production. They can operate at high speed in different environments and ensure personal health.